excited to be back. It's been like what, almost 3 weeks since I actually rode because of MCO 2.0. The number of cases is at least minimum 5,000 a day now, which is fucking crazy lah, I think. But everyone is still going out, like me. But no lah, I mean, I don't really go out at all actually. I've been staying at home in fact I've been staying home every day. I only go out to buy essentials like food and things like that. I don't actually go out for nothing. But today is an exception because since it's been like almost 3 weeks since I actually rode, so I thought why not just, you know, go out and have a short ride or something, since I'm fucking bored at home. I'm literally rotting to death at home since I've got no work to do. What's the day today? I think it's Tuesday or Wednesday, I don't know. I don't really keep track on the date or the day nowadays, since I'm, you know, always at home. I've got no work to do for the past week, so I'm basically doing shit at home every single day now. I only do gaming and YouTube and what, that's pretty much it lah, gaming and YouTube. And I feel pretty lifeless almost all of the time, so hence the ride today. I think she needs to move anyway after not moving for quite some time. Where am I going? I have no idea. I have no destination to go to. I have nothing planned out at all. I just had ride in my mind, so I'm just gonna ride with the flow and see how far I can go. Hopefully I will not encounter any roadblocks and such. I've always wondered what happened to this house. It looks abandoned though. I mean, it is abandoned. There's even a car inside, as if the family just left like that. It's not even on sale or anything. What a great weather too. It's not too sunny. In fact, it's not even sunny at all. So it's kind of nice. Wow, why is there so many pigeons? Oh look, monkeys. I've never seen so many pigeons before. I like how all the monkeys are just minding their own business and watching the pigeons eat. What a chill view. After taking some shots for Instagram, it's time to get out of here. It's getting really hot. Woo! Just in time. Bye, monkey! Alright, where to next? I feel like heading down to KL, but I'm afraid there might be some roadblocks there. Should I turn right to KL? Dilemma. Is it green? Nah, maybe not. I don't really want to risk it. Besides, KL usually have a lot of people and I don't want to go somewhere where there's a lot of crowd. Alright, since I've got nowhere else to go, I'm just gonna risk my 1,000 ringgit and head to KL. Oh. Why is the door open? I need to find a petrol station though. My bike is running out of fuel. What a nice black building. I like black buildings. They look so cool and futuristic, and they kind of stand out from the others. Scared me for a second, man. I thought this was a roadblock. Oh shit, it is. Oh fuck, it is a roadblock. Looks like they're not stopping me. Just go. Oh fuck, that was scary as shit. Jesus, my heart is pumping so fast right now. Oh my god. I think it's time to head home. I don't think I would want to do this further. It's really scary. Because what if I go through another roadblock? Thankfully that roadblock wasn't really doing whatever they were supposed to do. Otherwise, I think I would be fucked. And where the heck am I? Oh my god. Where am I? How do I go back? The moment I confirmed it was a roadblock, I was already starting to think of an excuse to basically bullshit. But I didn't really have enough time to think of a good excuse. So yeah, I think I was pretty lucky that they weren't really exactly doing their job. So woo! And I have no idea where am I right now. I'm too lazy to use my GPS phone holder, as I would have to stop by somewhere and get that shit sorted out. So I'll just do what I would usually do, ride with the flow and see where it brings me to. But at the moment I'll just follow the signboards. Up, down, up, down. I don't know. I'm gonna go down. Because down looks more interesting, but it might bring me to somewhere I don't know. I should have gone up. What a boring ass video this will be. If you guys are still watching, I really appreciate it. But I highly doubt any of you is still watching. Where the fuck is this place? Can I make a U-turn in front, or should I make a U-turn here instead? Let's just be civilized and follow the road rules. Hopefully there's a U-turn in front somewhere. There is! Woo! Clack, 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 clack. Now, where did I come from? No, I came from there. Oh, I know where this is. The fuck? This is near Bangsa. Is it? Eh? I can't remember whether I should be turning left or right. But I think right. Whoops. What the fuck, bro? I thought that green light right there is for me.